Olivia Rodrigo's home life is as intriguing as her music. Growing up in Temecula, California, she was surrounded by a supportive family that nurtured her creativity. Her parents, both of whom are educators, encouraged her to explore her passions from a young age. They even enrolled her in acting classes, which sparked her interest in performing arts. What's fascinating is that Olivia has a close bond with her younger brother, who often inspires her songwriting. She's mentioned how their sibling dynamic influences her lyrics, adding a personal touch to her music. Despite her fame, she values her privacy and often retreats to her childhood home for a sense of normalcy. Her home is filled with musical influences. She grew up listening to a mix of pop, rock, and even some classic tunes, which shaped her unique sound. Olivia has shared that she often writes songs in her bedroom, where she feels most comfortable and inspired. It's a space where her thoughts flow freely, allowing her to channel her emotions into her art. Even with her skyrocketing career, she cherishes simple moments at home, like family dinners and movie nights. This balance between her public persona and private life keeps her grounded, reminding us that behind the fame, she's just a regular girl navigating life, love, and everything in between.